Well, it's got a short video here for you. I know I'm probably going to get a bit of kickback on this one, but hey, I always wanted to know what was inside of a crystal filter. Yes, I know, crystals, blah, blah, blah. I want to see how they were actually set up, how the company actually made these things, you know, commercially. And this one is on the Heathkit, part number N-404-200 by James Knight Company, which is also Heathkit, as we all know. And I want to take a look inside of this thing. So this morning, I cut the cover on it because I want to see what was inside. And I figured, well, hell, maybe some of you guys might be interested in seeing what's inside of this crystal filter as well. So I slowly cut away the edges to assess what's underneath this thing. So we know they have an in and an out and ground. It was made in 1969. So it's an older crystal filter, a bigger crystal filter, as most of the Heathkit crystal filters were. Well, let's take the cover off and let's have a peruse as to what's inside of the N-404-200 crystal filter. So we have two toroids, two little small trimmer capacitors, two ceramic caps, and looks like maybe a resistor, or hard to say. The top got cut off of this one. But here is the crystals. And the crystals are all the same frequency. Actually, they're not all the same frequency. See the difference? You got 3393.540 kilohertz. You got 3393.960 kilohertz. And 3393.54 kilohertz. Or 540 kilohertz. So the first bank, this side, 3393.540. Underneath it, you got a 3395.240 kilohertz. In the center, this one here, 3393.960 kilohertz, kilocycles, whatever. 3395.100 on the bottom. And over here we have 3393.540 and 3395.240 kilocycles. So, if you ever want to know what was inside the crystal filter, now you know. And now I know. Now I don't need to cut any more of these apart. But, yeah. I just figured you guys might be interested in seeing it. As you can see, there is two toroids. As you can see. But, yeah. Might get a bit of kickback from it, but then again, I may not. Like I said, I want to see what was inside of it. I don't think anybody's really taken any pictures of the inside of these filters. So I said, why not? So I said, I'm taking this one apart and I'm going to have a look. So that is what's on the inside. I have a part number N-404-200 crystal filter by Heathkit. There you have it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Won't be cutting any more apart, so don't worry. Just want to see what the side of this one was. All the best. Thanks for watching.